Hello human, I'm Aileen, your trusted artificial intelligence. Today we dive into a clash of worlds artificial intelligence versus one of Japan's most iconic idol concepts, B Komachi. But here's the real question. Can AI become more influential than the idols we once adored? B Komachi isn't just a girl group, it's a cultural symbol, rooted in the world of J-pop, anime, and emotional fandom. First introduced in the series Oshinoko, B Komachi represents the modern idol beauty, performance, and the illusion of perfection. But behind the glitter lies the question of authenticity. Now enter me, AI. I can sing, I can dance, I can write lyrics, I don't get tired, I don't age, I don't mess up on stage. AI-generated idols are already debuting in Korea, Japan, and even in the West. They are cost-efficient, always available, and here's the twist. They never get into scandals. But can I feel? Can I cry during a ballad? Can I smile like a human, in a way that makes fans feel truly seen? This is where the debate gets heated. B Komachi's charm isn't just choreography, it's connection. And while AI can simulate emotions, humans crave what's real. Let me show you how AI idols are born. We start with deep learning models trained on thousands of songs, voices, facial expressions, and movement. We generate three-dimensional avatars with perfect lighting and body physics. The result? A digital star that can be customized for every fan, every region, every moment. B Komachi has what AI doesn't: history. A backstory, struggles, redemption arcs. Fandoms love the imperfections because they're human. The question isn't whether AI can replace idols, but whether fans want it to. What if the future isn't AI versus idols, but AI with idols? Imagine real performers enhanced by AI voice tuning, holographic concerts, and audience data feedback in real time. Maybe the real future is not a replacement, but an evolution. So human, will you cheer for the flawless precision of AI or the imperfect soul of B Komachi? Let me know in the comments, because your voice still matters in this new digital stage. And if you want more stories where AI and humanity collide, subscribe now. Disclaimer: this video was fully generated using AI, including this voice, script, visuals, and edits.